Hi, welcome. This is Allison of Somatic Cosmic Astrology, and this is a video to help you with the rest of the year with the Capricorn stellium and understanding the Aries energy as well as related to that for your chart for every sun and ascendant sign. And hello, if you're new to my videos and my work, welcome. And this is a mix of Western and cosmic consciousness astrology. So we're going to be looking at everything from two levels, different dimensions. And yeah, and hello, today I am in Santa Monica, really enjoying the surf and yeah, just the good stuff here. I just spent like the morning at Malibu Beach and took a big jog, and just really enjoying it. So basically, the Capricorn energy is like the big news of the year, that the Saturn Pluto in Capricorn conjunction in January in the midst of the eclipses was really the impetus of knowing that this year was going to be so intense. And astrologers, intuitives knew that this would really signal a fallout, in a way, a dismantling of the system. And as well as this is there's a few things going on as actually related to like say the protests that are really strong in America, also watching in Hong Kong what's going on, and that is the Uranus-Pluto energies, which are now really coming to fruition. The Uranus-Pluto square as related to the Uranus-Pluto conjunction in the 60s. So this is a continuation of the civil rights era and that fight, for equality, and as it also now relates to the economy is affecting everybody in the United States, and the oligarchies rule and finances. So want to talk about how also the 5D Capricorn is spiritual authority. So the Pluto, Saturn, and Jupiter, the Capricorn stellium is really spiritual authority, and also even bringing in like the soul into form and into consciousness and connecting us. So we're really getting like divine blueprints, especially you're going to see when we go through the signs how this is affecting you more. And Mars, so Mars went into Aries recently and started the shadow already. So we're in that shadow period because Mars is going to go retrograde and spending over 6 months in the sign of Aries, which is a very long time. Normally Mars spends about 6 weeks in a sign. So July 25th, Mars entered the shadow at 15 degrees Aries. September 9th is the retrograde date. So around then, Mars will be slowing down. And the retrograde starts at 28 degrees Aries. And then the goes forward on November 13th at 15, of course, and then clears the shadow on January 2nd of 2021. So Mars in Aries. Mars, of course, it belongs in Aries, and that's very 3D astrology, and that fiery energy. It's energy to your will, your drive to do what you want, and it's passion, it's anger, it's very masculine, very directed, very just gonna go for it. It's just jumping off the cliff, really. And and that does bring up the wounded masculine, and using power over another, and everything that's going on in that. We're talking a lot about those kind of issues now too. So the 5D Mars is illumination. So again, it's kind of like the Capricorn getting downloads. It's like the light entering your mind and getting the aha moments and the energy that way. It's like lights you up and you're like, I kind of see it as like realizing, like kind of waking up from the matrix in a way. I think there's a lot of that, and then from that process, then you realize how much more in control you were than you knew before. So the spiritual energy happens first. The spiritual is that, like, you come into yourself, your soul enters your awareness, and then after that process, then you have this mental, kind of seeing things, understanding things, being in control of your mind, and that's all very masculine in a way. So, and Mars is the body, very much the body. So we have this Capricorn energy being squaring Mars, and that is very much butting heads. Capricorn, Aries both have like the ram energy, so that is very present. This very, very pushing, dominant energy, making things happen. You feeling like you really need to go, like this is the time, and if you don't do your thing now, like you're gonna be like totally screwed. Like there's a lot of that energy, like gotta do it now. And that's that Capricorn about time. And then that Mars is like, yeah, it's just gotta go. Like if you're being held back, it's gonna be very painful. So let's go through the signs, and I might need to make a second video if it gets cut off. Starting with Capricorn, because that's what starts the 5D signs.